Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Fats Domino vinyl is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for rock and roll enthusiasts and music lovers alike, offering a tangible connection to a pivotal era in music history. This guide will walk you through the exciting world of Fats Domino vinyl collecting, helping you navigate the various pressings, understand their value, and make informed decisions as you build your collection. Number 5. Very Best of Gold. Get ready to experience the unparalleled brilliance of Very Best of Gold. It's more than just a product, it's a statement of refined taste and exceptional quality. This is crafted with the finest materials and attention to detail. You can feel the difference in its superior craftsmanship. Its elegant design is both timeless and modern, making it a perfect addition to any collection. It's a true masterpiece. Indulge in the opulence and sophistication. It offers an experience that transcends the ordinary. For generations, it has stood as a symbol of prestige and quality. Now, it's your turn to own a piece of this legacy. It's more than just a product, it's an investment in timeless elegance and enduring value. Make it yours today. What we like. It's a collection of timeless Fats Domino tracks. If you're a longtime fan or new to his music, this is a must-have. This is perfect for those who want a comprehensive overview of his career and the best of his work. What people say. My Blue Heaven, the best of Fats Domino, EMI Imperial, 1990, is a good, thorough compilation of all the 1950s hits on Imperial that made the piano-playing Domino famous. And a few more seminal bits and pieces, too. The CD's got 20 cuts in all. It's also a solid illustration of what makes Domino one of New Orleans' most engaging, entertaining exports. The cuts included here, like all Domino's work for Imperial, were produced by his close, long-term friend Dave Bartholomew, and what a stroke of luck that proved for the musician. Domino and Bartholomew also wrote many of the biggest hits together. If you don't want to go too deeply into his very lengthy career, then I recommend this package. Number 4. Best of 180 GM Vinyl. Get ready for an unparalleled audio experience. It's the best of the best, remastered for superior sound quality. Experience richer, deeper bass and clearer highs. You'll hear nuances you never noticed before. This isn't just vinyl, it's a statement. It's a commitment to superior audio fidelity. Your favorite tracks, now sounding better than ever. Enjoy the music as the artist intended. Only the highest quality recordings make the cut. It's the ultimate listening experience. Prepare to be amazed by the depth and clarity. It's a true audiophile's dream. What we like. This boasts superior audio quality due to the heavier vinyl. If you are an audiophile and appreciate the best sound reproduction, this is for you. Experience Fats Domino's music like never before with its enhanced clarity and warmth. What people say. Good sound quality and heavyweight LP. Overall great, but some of the songs aren't a full version of themselves and only last approximately a minuet or so instead of the usual 3 to 4. The greatest of hits are a full version, which is a big plus. Great quality, arrived on time. Number 3. 40 Greatest Hits. This collection features 40 timeless tracks. Get ready to relive the magic of your favorite songs. It's a journey through musical history. Each song is a classic, guaranteed to evoke cherished memories. Spanning multiple eras, it's the ultimate collection for music lovers. Experience the best of the best. This compilation brings together 40 of the most iconic songs ever recorded. It's a must-have for any music fan. Rediscover the songs that define generations. Let the music transport you back to unforgettable moments. It's more than just a collection, it's a celebration of music. Enjoy every single track. What we like. It contains 40 of his greatest hits. If you're looking for the most extensive collection of his work, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want a complete overview of his musical journey. What people say. Great quality vinyl. Great selection of Fats music. I previously purchased his work on another label, which wasn't even comparable to this vinyl release. I am pleased with this one. Number 2. I'm Walkin' Greatest Hits. Get ready to experience the timeless sounds of a true legend. This collection features some of the most iconic tracks from his career. It's a trip down memory lane, filled with unforgettable melodies and soulful rhythms. Prepare to be captivated by the power of his voice. Each song is a masterpiece, showcasing his incredible talent and range. You'll find yourself singing along in no time. His voice is instantly recognizable, full of emotion and character. Let it transport you to another time and place. This collection is a must-have for any music lover. It's a testament to his enduring legacy and influence. Rediscover the magic of his music with this incredible collection of greatest hits. It's an experience you won't soon forget. What we like. This features his signature song. If you're looking for that one defining track, this is it. It's a perfect addition to any collection and a great introduction to his music. What people say. Although the album may be live, the sound quality is great. Live performance. Some songs sound better quality than others. This is a live concert recording. Number 1. Live from Austin, Texas. It's a beautiful day in Austin, Texas. Get ready to experience the vibrant energy of this amazing city. Our journey begins at one of Austin's iconic music venues. Feel the rhythm of the city. Talented musicians fill the air with their music. Let the sounds transport you. The crowd is alive with excitement. Join the party and feel the beat. Savor the delicious tastes of Austin's street food scene. It's a culinary adventure. Take a refreshing dip in the natural beauty of Barton Springs Pool. It's a perfect way to cool off. Explore the vast green spaces of Zilker Park. It's a perfect place to relax and enjoy nature. Marvel at the grandeur of the Texas State Capitol building. It's a symbol of the state's rich history. As the sun sets, witness the breathtaking beauty of the Austin skyline. It's a sight to behold. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Austin, Texas. We hope you enjoyed the experience. What we like. It captures the energy of a live performance. If you appreciate the raw energy of a live show, this is a must-have. It offers a unique perspective on his music and a glimpse into his electrifying stage presence. What people say. Very well engineered record. A fun listen. Originally broadcast on PBS TV's Austin City Limits in 1987, this performance is among Domino's finest on film, a 17-track fast-paced romp through his biggest hits and several seldom-heard classics. The sound and video transfer is excellent and Domino is in fine voice throughout. The band, including Dave Bartholomew, Lee Allen, Herb Hardesty, and the great, underrated bass Irving Charles, is the same dynamic lineup that toured extensively with Fats in the 1980s. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.